Hi everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to unlock a secret feature inside your Turn Off the Lights browser extension, and it takes less than 60 seconds. You know when you darken a web page, but when you click on the dark layer, it automatically disappears? Super annoying if you just want to keep it on to protect your eyes from that bright light, right? Well, I'm about to fix that. First, open your browser, Chrome, Edge, whatever you love, and make sure you have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed. Now, right-click the Turn Off the Lights icon and hit Options. Find the Advanced Options tab. Scroll down until you see the Topic Mouse Actions. Turn on the setting called Enable Clicking Hyperlinks when the screen is darkened. This basically makes the dark screen invisible to your mouse, so you can click anything underneath while still protecting your eyes. Now, you can select text and click anywhere on the dimmed layer. You can also right-click on the page, and the dimming layer will stay in place. And that's it. You just leveled up your internet life. Smash that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more browser hacks you didn't know you needed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.